In this video, I'll show you how to fix high disk usage in Windows 11. If you're experiencing high disk usage in Windows 11, here's some effective fixes. First, what you can do is to disable SysMain Superfetch. To do that, go ahead and open services by clicking Windows R on your keyboard and typing services.msc into this section. Now, after you type that, go ahead and click on that OK button below that. Now, this will pop up on your screen. So under this, go ahead and look for SysMain. Go ahead and scroll down, and since this is actually alphabetically ordered, you can simply scroll down until you reach the S section. Right click on SysMain and select Properties. So in here, go ahead and click on that Properties button, and under the Properties page, set Startup Type to Disabled and click on that Stop button under the Service Status and click on Apply. Now, if this doesn't work, another thing that you can do is to disable Windows Search. To be able to do that, you'll need to go ahead and open Command Prompt. First, go ahead and open Command Prompt using the Windows Start search. So in here, go ahead and look for Command Prompt and click on that Run as Administrator at the right side. So you'll need to confirm running as an administrator before you can proceed with the command prompt. Now, on the command prompt, you'll need to enter shnext.access stop Windows search. After you enter that, you'll need to click on the enter button to be able to apply that into your command prompt. And the last option that you have to fix this issue is to check for malware. Run Windows Defender or a trusted antivirus scan into your device to be able to pinpoint the cause of this issue for your device. And that's basically how you can fix high disk usage in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.